So when your 7-year-old grandson says you can sleep with him, so you come in and this is where he wants me to sleep. And use the big red bear apparently as a pillow. And all these stuffies are all over the bed. He's quite comfy apparently. But this is the spot he's left for Grandma. I don't know, should I move the stuffed animals and push him over? Should I go sleep with one of the other grandsons? Or should I just lay there? Maybe I can move him over.